remember.
Hi all, welcome back. Today I'm going to do a Louis Vuitton unboxing here. I know I said that I will try not to buy any more SLG, but this one is, yes, it is an SLG, but it is not like wallet or something like that, because you know I have too many of them. And if you are following me on my Instagram, I have posted a video on my IGTV, a preview on what I would probably buy. So let's get started. I got it yesterday, and first time I saw this SLG on Instagram. I think the name is LV Tiffany SF, and I instantly want to have it. So this is it. Can you guess? It is the Louis Vuitton Woody Glacis case, mine in Monogram and Red. I will insert the video when my SA brought me the other one, the one in Monogram ECLIPSE. It is from the men's line. I love that color too, but I ended up pick up this one because you know I love red color. So this one is the Monogram with red color combination. This is the canvas, and the red part here is the calf skin. And as you can see, it is Louis Vuitton Paris made in France. I hope you can see that. The button is magnetic. The inside is from microfiber lining, and here is the tag, the model number, looks like this, just the plain compartment. Back side, the dimension is around 6.5 inch in width, the height is around 2.95 inches, and the depth is around 1.18 inches according to Louis Vuitton website. I just tried to find it on Louis Vuitton website, but I couldn't find this one anymore. I only find the Monogram ECLIPSE. I will link to the Louis Vuitton website on that one on my description box if you are interested. So that is the glasses case. I think I will be using this one as my sunglass cases. I have the old one, this one. This is also the sunglass cases or glasses cases from Louis Vuitton. I don't think they still producing this one. This one is not my favorite because the sunnies is quite hard to get in and get out from this one. I will show you after this. So I didn't use it that much. After I found this Longchamp case that I use for my sunnies, I have this in few colors because I love them so much. They are more practical, and the opening and closing is better than this one. So this one is my Gentle Monster sunnies. It is an oversized sunnies. I will show you why I don't like this one. So when I put the sunnies inside, it's not the easiest job. See, the opening is small, they fit, and it is slim, but to put in and pull it out is just not the most practical in my opinion. And let's try on this new one. I think this one is my biggest sunnies, so I try with this one. It fits nicely, as you can see, and the opening and closing is more practical. I forgot to show you these details here. It is Louis Vuitton engraved. There is few scratches on it already, but I'm okay with it. It's not an easy thing to find. Okay, before I go, I will make a short comparison between this Louis Vuitton and the Longchamp. This is what they look like from the front. The Longchamp is a little bit wider, and the side, the Longchamp is slimmer, and the back. Obviously, this one is stiffer and this one is pliable. And honestly, I don't know if this one is meant for sunnies or glasses or anything else. And I'm sorry, I cannot find it anymore from my boutique or online. So if you see one, you better get it if you're looking for it, because this one is better than Louis Vuitton in my opinion. It is leather. The inside is fabric lining though, and for the price of this one, you can get like 9 or 10 of this one. So that's all my comparison of these two. And about this one, probably Louis Vuitton already discontinued this one, and if you are still looking for this one, just don't. It is the worst sunglass cases I have ever have, so not recommend this one. Okay guys, bye bye.
Feel of the air touch my skin. Am I real? 'Cause I felt something leave from within. I feel empty. Have I got nothing left to give? Am I living? 'Cause I only felt alive with him.